Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look in the gold market. Yesterday we talked about the Canadian dollar, that also has done well, but today it's time to take a look again on the gold. So if you remember, on the gold market we have discussed the situation in weekend, and we come to conclusion that overall setup is still stands bullish. So despite the really choppy action, market is forming clear bullish patterns, not only on the high time frames, but on the daily intraday basis as well. Besides, current overall situation, geopolitical situation, economical situation, mostly is supportive for the gold market, stands in favor of the gold market, because lots of different tensions in the job policy and the global trade. So that is all supports the gold. And currently, as market is starting to show a kind of the thrusting action here, this confirms this suggestion, and it seems that indeed we will be watching for a next destination point at the 1368. Since it stands above this top, market could continue move higher just by the stops trigger that stands around this top. When it will be touched, it really could get more fuel to the fire. Market just could automatically, but just due to execution of these orders, continue move higher. So this is two different targets that coincides in the same area. First is this initial ABC bottom 1618 target XOP, extended objective point, and also we have this AB equals CD pattern, but also it has the same destination point. This AB equals CD actually is the minimum target of our reverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame chart that we have discussed in our weekend. And indeed, markets right now is turning up, so this pattern has W shape of the head, and the right shoulder, right arm is also kind of the W shape. So, but this here is market is moving higher. The neckline will be at the 1353 area. Here, guys, we unfortunately can't talk about the butterfly on this, because this low stands below this one. But still, overall shape looks not bad, and action here is also shows some impulse. So that's why it's not bad chance that indeed we will get the target on the daily. Meantime, on the hourly chart, if you remember, this overall action has started from regardless triple to buy on the right arm of the 4-hour time frame chart. In weekend, since here was the megaphone pattern, we said keep watching what will happen. So because we also here had the AB equals CD that should be completed a bit later, a bit lower. So and we said just keep watching of this consolidation. Here was the megaphone in the weekend, and we said if market will break it up, it will mean that the upward action has started. So currently, guys, to make the position, you just need to keep an eye on this upward swing and watch for a possible meaningful retracement to some of the fib levels, because no other tools we currently have. Market shows here a small retracement, so ABCD patient OP target already has been completed of this ABCD, but no significant retracement has followed. Now market is standing high. Take a look, the next target will be XOP 1351, and 1351 actually this is, as you can see, the neckline. So if market will not show significant retracement right now, somewhere on the road to the XOP, or maybe when the market will hit the neckline will be some meaningful retracement. So currently, guys, all that we could do is just to wait for some bullish continuation patterns, something of that sort, kind of the ABCD retracement, guard the triple to buy, take the position on some retracement. Here again, take position on the fib level. So keep an eye on the possible retracement, search for confidence supports, search for bullish continuation patterns on this upward swing. So as usually, regardless, people to buy are forming when the market is standing high as a bullish continuation pattern. And that could become the chance for taking the position. But taking in consideration overall background for the gold market, the price action that we see right now, setups that we have on the monthly weekly chart, so we have discussed in the weekend, daily situation with the 4-hour reverse hand shoulders pattern. It seems that the bullish sentiment is still valid and market is standing higher, so not bad chance that maybe in perspective of 1-2 weeks probably we will get the XOP. So that's what we'll see right now in the gold market.